now meet the stunning Lady Riders competing for Miss Honda Riders Colorado 2024. Honda Rider number 5. Rider number 6. It's Honda Rider number 7.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, your pageant host, DJ Kokoy Martin and DJ Carriosa. Of course, kaya talaga pang Honda, diverse and multitasker. Grabe, dapat natin kayo ba? Because we know how to keep things exciting and showcase the best of our community. Kaya, mga skills man yan, talents, or creativity and charm, Honda riders never fail to impress. Lalo na ang ating nagagandahang Honda Lady Riders!
Yes, exactly! Kaya naman, talagang inaabangan ng lahat ng riders dito sa Mindanao ang Honda Riders Convention 2024 or Honda Riders Convention every year. Kasi po, sa Honda events, we celebrate every achievement and moment po ng ating mga riders. Tama ba, riders?
Tama ba, mga riders?
Alright!
I love Honda!
Honda number 1!
Kaya ngayon, bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating pageant, let's first review our criteria for judging.
Yes, for our criteria for judging.
It is your question.
Seryoso na kayo ito mga ganito. Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, your question goes like this. Can you share with us your favorite motorcycle ride destination in Davao and why?
Thank you. I've been into several escapades in Davao region, but one of my most favorite and unforgettable ride was in Aliwagwag Falls, which is located in Katiil, Davao Oriental. It is considered as the country's longest waterfalls, and it doesn't only serve a beautiful and relaxing landscape, but it also provides a certain purpose, as it provides water supply for those rice fields, which is located in the nearby and neighboring provinces, especially in Davao de Oro. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Thank you.
Yan, Aliwagwag Falls ang kanyang answer. Ito na, our Lady Rider candidate number 2.
Miss Honda Rider candidate number 2.
And now, here is your question.
Okay, our question number 2. Ready na ka? Yes. Okay. Sa iyong pananaw, paano mo ipapaliwanag ang kahalagahan ng road safety sa isang baguhang rider? Okay? Do you want me to repeat the question? Sa iyong pananaw, paano mo ipapaliwanag ang kahalagahan ng road safety sa isang baguhang rider?
Before I answer the question, I would like to say that maayong pag-abot sa syudad sa Davao Honda Riders. And to answer the question, in my opinion, I believe it is important for us to consider the road safety guidelines, especially to the ones who have been starting to learn how to drive, because it is important, not just it is a traffic rule that we must abide, it is also can give us a safetyness when we are on the road. Also, it gives us an enjoyment and a memorable experience when we are on the road if we can feel that we are safe. Because after all, road safety guidelines is not just a responsibility but a privilege to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Road safety is not... Sa to? Nagkalimot.
Wala ka naman
It's not a responsibility but a privilege. Okay. Eto na nga.
Let's call on our Honda Lady Rider candidate number 3.
3.
Ganda ko ba?
How are you feeling right now?
Actually, feeling very well because the warm welcome of Tabuenos is very hot. Thank you so much for your warm welcome, Tabuenos.
And because of that warm welcome, we have a warm question. Question number 3. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na magsagawa ng isang kampanya tungkol sa road safety, what would be your main message to Honda riding community?
Thank you for that question. Good afternoon. My message would be Honda Ride Heroes. Let's champion a cause together on road safety for everyone by leading example of vigilance, maintaining our motorcycle and respecting all road safety, and even our co-motorcyclists. We can create
Thank you so much. Hero, together if we create safer rides. Wow.
Alright, alright. Tawagan natin ang Honda Lady Rider candidate number 4. Uy, ang mga bawag sa mga nagagawa. Lahi-lagi yun ang nagawa. Lahi-lagi yun ang nagawa.
Liwat yun sa kay Inday Sara. Kasi kumabing na din.
Okay, so ready ka na ba sa ating question? Okay, candidate number 4. Ang imong pangutana kay, paano mo haharapin ang isang sitwasyon kung saan ang isang malapit na kaibigan o kamag-anak ay hindi sumusunod sa mga alituntunin ng road safety habang nagmamaneho ng kanilang motorsiklo? Dear N.O. Nag-gets mo? So, tanongin ko ulit. Okay. Are you ready? Okay.
I believe as a dreamer in this modern era, I believe that I am not just a human that will just go pass by anyone. I believe that I am here with a purpose, and that purpose includes to have the people remind them that we also have, remind them that we should need to be safe in this modern era. Because I am one with Honda. I also dream to live with a life that one with the people, the environment, and also with the technology.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4, thank you so much. Hero with a purpose. Candidate number 5.
Magagaling ang ating mga kandidata.
Di basta-basta.
Ang mga lady riders. Okay.
Kailan kayo magpaduol kayo, magpalaan kong bata. Kailan ko kamay. Kailan ko doing din. Ito na ang iyong question. Kung ang hotdog, ibutang sa rep, hotdog paghihapon ang tama. Ay, ang mga kabataan ngayon ay excited na magsimulang magmaneho. What advice would you give to young riders to ensure their prioritized road safety from day one?
So first of all, I would like to say good afternoon to everyone. So the advice that I will give to young riders to ensure they prioritize road safety from day one is to ensure safetyness and prioritize safety over anything. Because nowadays we have advanced technologies that we can use to enhance our safety during road trips and always prioritize your safety more than anything.
Thank you so much. Prioritize safetyness in riding. Thank you so much, candidate.
Number 5.
Here is our Honda Lady Rider candidate number 6.
Wala dyan ko yung masalipin. Candidate number 6. Ready na ka sa iyong question? Okay. Ang question, paano mo ipinapakita ang iyong pagmamahal at pag-alaga sa kalikasan habang nagmo-motorcycle ride sa Mindanao? Again, paano mo ipinapakita ang iyong pagmamahal at pag-alaga sa kalikasan habang nagmo-motorcycle ride sa Mindanao?
As an advocate of environmental awareness, it is very important for us to be environmentally aware and practice environmental practices. As your Honda Lady Rider, I will lead as an example to all my co-riders out there that it is very important for us to practice sustainability as well as eco-friendly ride for us to achieve the ride that is fun and curious. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6.
Thank you so much. Eco-friendly ride.
Oh, environmentalist. Okay, ngayon naman tawagin po natin ang ating candidate number 7. Our Honda Lady Rider candidate number 7. Wow. Sumali ito ng Miss Universe.
Miss Universe Cagayan. And a while ago, she said she is a magna cum laude.
Nakulbaan ko, ikaw muna, ikaw na
Here's your question. If you're given a chance to become the president of the Philippines, joke lang. Kalbaan. My question number 7. Usong-uso na ngayon ang riders ang nag-e-enjoy sa group rides. How do you ensure that a group ride is both enjoyable and safe for all participants?
Alright, so I just want to start off by saying that in any types of endeavors, be it in sports or leisure time, safety is of paramount importance. And one way to conduct safetyness is to have a pre-ride briefing for the riders to become more acquainted about the important guidelines and health signals that they can apply in order for them to alleviate the situation and to reduce the risk of any road accidents. And in the end, I just want to say that iwas sa sakuna ang rider na laging handa. Thank you.
Wow! In charge! Iwas sa sakuna ang riders na laging Honda! Wow! Honda!
Yeah, let's give a round of applause for our Honda Lady Rider candidate.
Number 8.
Good. Hi! Alright. Ako na yung mga tanong. Ready na ka? Ang question na to kay Kani. Ang kaligtasan sa kalsada ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagprotekta sa sarili, kundi pati na rin sa paggalang sa ibang gumagamit ng kalsada. How can riders promote cautious behavior on the road?
Thank you. At Honda, we believe in the power of dreams. Every journey is a pursuit of dreams, and every rider has a responsibility to take the road for safety and responsibility. That's why it is important to instill discipline in ourselves, to influence others, and be a good role model. Because, ladies and gentlemen, always remember that every journey that we take on the road, there's a family who awaits for us.
Wow! Very well said.
Yeah.
Candidate number 8 then.
Yes, and that actually completes our Honda Lady Rider candidates. And also, syempre karon ang number 1, candidate number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and last but not least, our number 8.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Honda Riders Con Davao 2024.
Alright.
And to help us present the awards, may I invite on stage our panel of judges, Mr. Keith Nabokata, Mr. Rex Ong, Mr. Joshua Ligaspi, together with Field Service Engineer Region 12 and Daraga, Mr. Eric Sombria, Accounts Specialist Mindanao 2, Mr. Zach Dorindes, and Retail Supervisor Mindanao 2, Mr. Paul Basten.
Ayan, andyan na, kasama na natin sila. Thank you so much for being with us. And of course, to present the first award, we have Mr. Eric Sombria. Yes, isamahan niyo po tayo dito sa harap. For our second runner-up for Miss Honda Riders Con 2024 Davao is
Second runner-up goes to candidate number 2. Ladies gentlemen, Miss Honda, first runner